We could have taken a bus or a train, but with the three of us in the taxi, we decided that it wouldn't be that bad, and boy was I wrong. But the view was beautiful. Those beautiful temples, but then we hit the 900 yen mark, the 1900 yen, and the 2,800 yen, 3,600 yen, 4,100 yen. Are you kidding me? And then we were here at the zoo. It didn't look like a zoo at all. Did the taxi driver just run us around town and drop us off somewhere remote? No, this was the zoo, alright. If you're under 15 or over 70 and you have a disability, it's free. But we're not, so it's 750 yen each. Suck it up, Jessie. Some of the details were in English, which really helped, but most of it was Japanese. We are in Japan, so that's to be expected. You know what they say, when in Rome, speak Roman? You can see the Yamaneko drinking water because today is hot. And as we're going to see shortly, that most of the animals were far more clever than us. This little guy decided to give us the cold shoulder. The pictures of the animals were awesome because most of the time we couldn't find the animals. They were clever enough to stay in the shade, unlike us. We were almost going to give up when I see some movement in that cage. What is that? According to the picture, it's a hazuki. Oh, I give up. From what I could see, it looked cute anyway. Feeling a little rejected, we decided to check out the fountain across the road, and it was pretty impressive. The pond and fountain were very nice. As we were approaching the middle of the day, it was just getting hotter, and us being out in the sun was not helping at all. On a bright note, this is the cleanest and sweetest smelling zoo that I've ever been to. As reference, here's my hand with a broken finger. This is a giant Japanese salamander, and it is huge. Just chilling out in the cool water. Quite beautiful headless birds. Oh, there it is, on display. Can you see that cute little blue dragonfly? Look closer. There he is. This bird had me wondering if it was real or not until it blinked. Oh, there you go. It's real. Fancy that. On such a hot day, you'd expect it to be a lot of animal smells, but we didn't smell anything at all. Something smells fishy. Keeping a cat's toilet fresh is hard enough, let alone these big boys. Magnificent, beautiful creatures. Whatever that is on the ground, I hope he's not going to throw it at us. Let's not wait around to find out. Outside the gorilla cages there was a mist shower and it was wonderful. But inside the gorilla cage there were no gorillas to be seen. They were either snoozing at the back or they were eating watermelon with the zookeepers. Just looking around there weren't that many people either. This small water feature was quite cool too. Listen to the soothing and cooling sounds. There was plenty of shade and seating to take advantage of, but we didn't. We just pushed through in the heat. We had already seen, or to be correct, not seen the most popular animals, and there they were. We found these cute little guys. Meerkats. They were the only animals happy to see us. And I was happy to see them too. Oh, he's so cute. How's it going, sweetie? Are you enjoying the heat? I could watch them all day, but the heat stroke was setting in and it was time to move on to greener pastures. But around the corner was a surprise waiting for us that we did not expect. Ooh, that's potent stuff. Oh my goodness. All the animal smells were in one corner of the park. The pungent odor coming from the flamingo area was overwhelming. After allowing my factory senses to reset, we went to see the giraffes. Beautiful creatures hanging out in the shade of this big tree. I was a little afraid that the flamingo smell was still on me, but they didn't notice. But they did move away, so maybe they were just being polite. It took me a while to see that there was also a zebra in there. Masters of disguise. Not this little guy, he stood out like a sore thumb. Maybe the season, maybe the time of the day, the pungent smell from the flamingo area and the animals that were mostly hiding didn't stop me from having a really good time at the Kyoto Zoo. They have a great selection of soft toys to take home as souvenirs for the animals that you didn't see. More videos coming soon. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, or a comment would be wonderful. See you on the next one.